trimmed out some more rust. What we're doing is just kind of identify it all before we go cutting on the floor and figure out we needed to go further. So I trim this back, I trim this back. That was rusted out here, so I trimmed that back. Straighten the edge up here so it wasn't at an angle. And straighten this one up a little bit here. I need to drill some holes and tack weld that to this plate that's welded in. And I had a good friend of mine donate some metal for my floor. I got 2 sheets of that. Thank you, John. This will help the process go a little better. Raining. Rain, rain, rain. That's all I got for you tonight, folks. Just a lot of measuring and cutting and squaring up stuff. Have a good weekend and go work on your projects. Catch me on the next video.